Nigerian TV.
Dear citizens of Nigeria, something has been brought to my attention. I got a call directly from the horse's mouth, my contact, my source at the presidential villa, and they've revealed to me that there's a plan by the Buhari administration to circumvent the will of the electorate in Edo State. The current INEC chairman, by name Professor Mahmood Yakubu, his tenure is going to be ending in 2015 because it's a 5-year tenure according to the Electoral Act. And his tenure is going to be running out very soon. And I found out from my source that he had been called by the Chief of Staff to the President, the new Chief of Staff, Professor Ibrahim Gambari, and told that the Buhari administration would extend his tenure for another 5 years, but on the condition that he has to deliver Edo State to the All Progressive Congress. On the condition, I'll say that again, that he has to deliver Edo State to the All Progressive Congress. Now, this is a done deal. So it's now up to you and I, the good people of Nigeria, the people of Edo State, and then just all citizens, because we can't just leave this for Edo State, to rally around and ensure that there is democracy in Edo State. You know, I foresee from the conversations that I had, one of the tricks that they're going to use is that they're going to attempt to postpone the Edo State election by 2 weeks to give the All Progressive Congress, Dr. Iyamu, their candidate, some more time to strategize and to prepare. And they're going to use the security forces. Now, I mean, you guys know I was a presidential spokesman for 4 years. Before I was a presidential spokesman for 4 years, I was also an aide in the Obasanjo administration, the vice president side, for 2 years, actually for 18 months. So I have sources in the presidential villa, people that we were very good to, that I was very good to. They remain loyal to me. They give us information. You know, people directly, even in the chief of staff's office. Now, if you recall, on Sunday, I had an interview with Channels Television. Go and watch that interview. And that interview, I foretold what is currently happening now with the EFCC chairman. I said that the man is allegedly corrupt, and I said that Ibrahim Malami had written a memo, and that this man, that he has issues. And then 10 hours after that interview, you know what happened? Ibrahim Magu of the EFCC was arrested. When he was arrested, I came out and was one of the first people to reveal that he was arrested. And then the government, the DSS and other agencies, they denied that he had been arrested. Go and check my social media profiles. I told Nigerians that no, it is a lie. They are trying to spin it. They are trying to cover it. And then, lo and behold, today, the man has been suspended. He spent last night at police custody. So I know what I'm talking about. I'm not here just to, speak out of turn. No, I am giving you information. The people of Edo State, it doesn't matter if it's APC or PDP. I just want democracy to win. If you recall, General Muhammadu Buhari himself, he said this, and I'm quoting him, when he was speaking to the Osun State governor. He told him, you know how we did by remote control to make you win. That is a direct quote. Now they want to do the same remote control in Edo. Let's stop them. Thank you and God bless you.
Good morning, Mama.
Morning.
What is your name, Mama?
Maureen.
Maureen. Why you open this morning?
Why open? The children go eat now.
That's true.
Children, if I no open and they house, if say they won't eat this money, no, they don't eat this money, no, they don't want to. Now this business, now be my husband.
That be your husband?
How did they take care of the children? My husband died late 7 years ago.
Yeah.
And so now this business, they take care of them. Some day school, some day learn work, one day nurse. So,
Which have you been, Mama?
I be robo.
Yeah. How long did you do this business before?
That past 20 years, although not be this business they do before. When I did market road, now articles now they deal with. I they go Olisha, they go buy goods, they come say articles.
Okay.
So when I got stop Olisha market, now I got change to provincial. So I know they do this business over 20 years.
Yeah. We cannot waste your time, Mama. I might just bring the goodness package for you this morning.
Ah. What do I do?
Because say you open your store this morning when everybody they sleep. You open your store, you know say the need there for you to make your children shop.
Jesus Christ. Where you for come?
I just drive past.
Where you dey stay? I never see this kind of thing before.
Now God they do am, mama. Now God they do am. Now God don't find you this morning.
Amen.
God find
Jesus
you.
Christ.
God say make your week be better.
Amen. Oh.
Yeah.
Yesterday they pray for church. He said, "Mo could pray so that this week make it good for us."
Yeah, now God answer this your prayer, so
Ross, where you dey stay? So I need to know where you dey stay.
you don't need to know where they stay. God just answer your heart.
You be small pikin, I no go feel it down.
No, not need that, no, not need that, not need that, not need that at all. Not need that. Not need
Because the children so they full house. If you see my boy now very tall.
that.
Only me they take care of them. All of the day as they sleep now because of the cholera virus. Senior one day they as they sleep. But I say make I call open.
No.
See ya. God just bless this week. Hey,
Now,
plus,
now, mother you be, and I know the need say they must shop.
yes. God go bless you.
Amen.
God go reward you.
Amen.
God increase your year.
Amen.
Anybody when he say me you not eat the fruit of your labor, that person go die.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Jesus Christ.
Amen. Mama, now when you go back to your store, go sell. Eh?
DJ ATV.